Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another of Sandis from Decorate Your Life. Amazing, beautiful digital designs. And this one is going to be Yummy Easter. And guess what, you guys? It is a win it before you can buy it. So basically, you guys, you can win this digital design before it actually hits the press. So she doesn't have it up in her shop yet, and she will have it soon, but you can win it before you can buy it. So let me go ahead and show you what this is. This is so beautiful, you guys. Look at that. So you have that one, and then you have this one right here. It has little eggs, some beautiful leaves. And then you have this one. So many amazing cut aparts right here. Ooh. And you guys, I don't know if you guys are aware, you can resize a lot of these images. You just, I would suggest maybe go, if you don't know how to, maybe a tutorial on YouTube. I'm still, haven't resized digitals in a while, so I'll try to make a tutorial on that later. But this one's another one. Look at you guys. This one's one of my favorites. Look at this one. OMG. So it has a bunny here, a fence, some flowers hanging right here, and OMG, look at that. And this one's like a cup right here with some flowers, and I don't know if you guys could see the bunny ears, and there's another bunny here, and there's a oh my gosh, I forgot what these are. I want to say it's a pail, but I know it's not a pail. There's a fence, and there's some leaves right here, and look at that. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, and look at these bunnies. You could actually fuzzy cut some of these right here. Amazing. These are cute. Loving this one. Look at this one. Makes me hungry. And here is one of the last ones. So let me go ahead and show you what I've created. So basically, this is like, I do want to say, this is not a YouTube sponsored video of any sort. I am affiliated with Sandy, so I may earn a small commission, just to let you guys know. It doesn't affect you guys in no way when you purchase this. You know, I don't make, if you don't, you know, use my link, or you use my link that I will link down on the description below. It don't matter if you use it, you know, but it'd be nice if you guys could use it, but you guys don't get a charge extra. So let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. So this is what I ended up creating. So let me go ahead and just pull this out so it doesn't blend in so much in there. As you guys could see, this is the paper with the little cups on the bottom. I did fuzzy cut these banners right here, and I did fuzzy cut this little cupcake and the rainbow with the cloud, and I did put some glossy accents around it as well as here. And then I put a gem right here, and then I had this die cut that just popped out at me and said, "Here I am." And then I used this Memory Decks card or die that I had, and that's what I ended up creating with that one. I ended up making my own little sleeve for this right here. So this is basically, I did my little box, and then I went ahead and layered it with this other paper pad. And then I went ahead, since I forgot to sew it, because I should have sewn it, I just went ahead and did lines, little lines right there. And here is a rosette that I had here in my stash, a heart, and then I layered all these right here. I don't know if you guys could see that. Amazing. And then I had this little bow, and then I had this thing, and then I just put some Velcro, and all I do is just gonna put that in here, and there you go. And then you guys, if you guys want to get entered into this giveaway, it is going to be a digital design, so you won't get any physical item or anything. It is a digital, and basically just put enter me down on the description below, so I know you guys are interested in receiving that, and you will be one of the first ones to receive it. And then I also made this right here, and I still have the tag here, so you guys, so I made this. Isn't that cute? So I went ahead and put some trim around it. Oh, my here. And then I put some pearls on the bottom, and then some flowers that were gifted to me, a bowl that I found that was also gifted to me, and then I put this flower right there, and there you go. And I did some stickles on some of the items right here, as you could see. And there's the butterflies. I did the stickles, and there you go. Let me see if you guys can see it better like that. There you go. And then my last project that I made was this little cute little box. You guys know I love to make boxes, so I did fuzzy cut a lot of the cut aparts that are on here, so I can make my projects. And this is what the cut aparts look like, if you guys can remember. Sorry. And then I just use this cut apart right here, and this one's this one. I don't know if you guys could tell it was this one. This one's that one right here, and I just layered some of the other cut aparts on top of this. Did some stickles. I put some ribbon here, trim, and there you go. So anyways, you guys, I will link the affiliate link down in the description below if you guys are interested. Actually, it might not be available because of course it's a win it before you can buy it, so it might not be available, but after she releases it, I will link it down in the description below. You guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will link all the other design team members also on the description below, so you guys could go over and check out what they've created. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.